Hi friends, I have something important for you. If you're having any Python kind of error in your code or bug issues or any kind of error in your Python code, I'll help you fix it through fiverr.com. My link is at the description below. So it is just for $5 and it's under 24 hours. I'll perfectly and quickly fix the error you have in your script, any kind of error you have your script that you know that is so difficult for you to fix. So let's get started right away. Hi friends, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a text to speech program using Python. For example now, let me run this program and type something right over here. Let me type YouTube tutorial, and once I enter it, it's going to
YouTube
say
tutorial.
you can hear that. So that's what we are going to be working on today. So let's get started. Hi friends, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So let's get started. So before we get started, you need to pip install two things. First of all, you need to pip install, you write pip then install pyttsx3. So that's the first thing we are going to pip install, but we've already installed it. So our second thing to pip install, you write pip install, then we are going to install speech recogni recognition recognition. So we already have it. So let's move on now to our other step. Now the first thing to do is to write import. um we are going to import our p what do you call it, pyttsx 3. Yes, then also we are going to import speech recognition as SR. So that's our first step. So now in our next step now, what we are going to do now, I don't think we need this speech recognition. Let's clear it off. This one we really need it. It's just for what it does is translate our text to speech. That's what that does. So but let's move on to write some things here. We're going to create a function which is text to speech. Then we are going to pass our parameters here, then enter here. So what we are going to do right here is that, and we are going to say engine is going to be equal to pi xs3 dot init. We want to initialize our engine. So the next step now, under this engine, we are going to say engine dot say. Then under here, what we want to do is that after we've initialized our engine, it's going to help us say our text, well, say that exact text we just wrote. So um under here we're going to write engine dot run and wait. So what that does is that it runs the program, and I don't but after we've said we've text, but let's just continue. But after we've written, first of all I made a mistake here. I'm supposed to write command here, pass this command parameters here. So right over here now, what we want to do after we've done this, we now come and create now create a variable which is called texting. Is going to be equal to input bracket, which will tell the user to write something. So after that, we are going to say speak text. After we've written our text, we are going to write a text to speech. We are going to call this function right over here text dot speech. Then under here we are going to pass this we are going to pass our variable here, this whatever we input right over here to this place. We are going to write texting. So now the final step now is for us to test the program if it's going to work. So let's run the program now and see for ourselves. So let's run it now. It says write something. Let me write YouTube tutorial. Subscribe to my channel. Let's see what it's going to say.
YouTube tutorial, subscribe to my channel.
You can hear that. So let's run the program again and write something else. Let's write text to speech program.
Text to speech program.
You can hear also. So that's all for this tutorial. I think that's all for this tutorial. All you do is to import the engine, the text to speech engine, and then from there you try and connect, initialize the engine, and then maybe when you after you initialize the engine, you should say you try and make sure it says that exact word you just write down. So and after that you now come over here, create a variable, and a variable in which when you input the variable you are going to call on this function and insert that variable, you just that text, that variable here, this variable which is your text, so that it can translate, it can help it can pronounce the text you just write down. So I think that's all for this tutorial. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Hi friends, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.